You launch a limited apparel drop, and the marketing works perfectly. Suddenly, thousands of orders hit your store at once. But behind the scenes, your fulfillment queue is breaking down. Scaling brands often struggle when marketing, sales, and support run on disconnected tools. Every viral moment creates a surge of disjointed data that leads to missed follow-ups and delayed support tickets. The risk is treating these buyers as one-off transactions. Without a central system to link these interactions, you lose the ability to build the automated follow-up sequences that turn a first-time buyer into a repeat customer. To maintain your margins during high-growth periods, you need to consolidate those fragmented data points into a single revenue engine using HubSpot. HubSpot has shifted from its B2B roots toward a unified commerce hub. It treats commerce data as a relational framework, meaning every transaction is tied directly to a customer profile. The connection lives in the HubSpot marketplace. You install the native Shopify integration to create a real-time link. Once installed, the system initiates a continuous data sync, mapping contacts, products, and orders. With this bridge established, Shopify handles the transactional heavy lifting, checkout, payments, and fulfillment, while HubSpot manages the engagement data required to drive repeat revenue. Every interaction surfaces on the contact timeline. The Shopify overview card displays the total order count, average order value, and an AI-generated summary of their buying behavior. This visibility ensures your marketing team isn't guessing which campaigns work. They see the exact revenue outcome of every email and ad click on a per-customer basis. Clean data allows you to move away from generic mass emails. Instead, you build workflows that respond to specific customer actions in near real time. We start by establishing an abandoned checkout trigger. This watches for users who add items to their Shopify cart but leave before completing payment. Roughly 70% of carts are abandoned, but automated nudges can recapture 25% of lost sales. You can add branching logic. If a customer buys a premium jacket, the system triggers a 14-day delay before sending an automated upsell for a matching beanie. These automated branches ensure that a single purchase starts a continuous cycle of relevant communication rather than ending at the checkout page. You can also use purchase behavior to sharpen your advertising. By syncing buyer segments back to your ad platforms, stop wasting budget on low-probability leads. In the HubSpot Active List Builder, you can isolate your most valuable customers. Here, we're filtering for users with a total lifetime spend over $500 who have purchased within the last 6 months. This list syncs directly to Meta ads. Instead of targeting a broad audience, you instruct the algorithm to find new users who mirror the characteristics of your high-value buyers. As your audience grows, the volume of support requests across Instagram, Facebook, and email can become unmanageable. The HubSpot Conversations inbox consolidates these channels. Whether a customer reaches out via DM or a website form, the message lands in one queue. Messages from multiple social platforms and email accounts are pulled into a single stream, organized by the customer's identity. You can then use an AI agent to handle routine questions about sizing or order tracking, leaving your human staff to handle more complex issues. Because the rep sees the full purchase history alongside the chat, they can resolve a sizing complaint and immediately offer a discount code for their favorite product category to encourage a replacement order. While HubSpot has a free tier, it is limited to 2 users and lacks the multi-step automation logic required for complex e-commerce flows. Consolidating your tools onto the starter or professional tiers unlocks the ability to build these cross-channel sequences without needing a separate integration platform. Compare the platform fee to the combined cost of separate email tools, separate help desk software, and CRM subscriptions. For most brands, the revenue recovered from automated cart abandonment alone covers the monthly cost of the entire software suite. Once these systems are linked, your team no longer wastes time reconciling data manually. Your reporting reflects real-time revenue across every marketing and sales touchpoint. This setup respects the strengths of both platforms. Shopify manages the storefront transactions, while HubSpot manages the customer relationships. The result is a unified system where every customer interaction informs the next marketing action, creating a predictable path for growth. You can start building this today. Use the free HubSpot Shopify integration workflow template linked below to set up your first automated upsell sequence. Centralizing your data this way means you can scale your order volume without significantly increasing your administrative overhead.